Back to the train for this trip up into the mountains. As soon as we get an all clear from the depot master, we'll begin our journey through the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains. Depot master, let me know when we get the all clear, please.
Folks, the cable overhead is for medical emergencies only. If there is a true medical emergency, please pull down on the cord for 2 seconds and release. The conductor will ask that the cable be pulled a second time to confirm the emergency. After the second pull, the conductor will notify the engine crew and EMTs to prepare an emergency response. The train will not stop. We will quickly proceed to the nearest first aid location. Do not pull the cable for lost cell phones, cameras, etc. The train will not stop.
Those two whistles you just heard tells us that the engineer has received the all clear, and we will be pulling out of the depot at any moment. As we get ready to depart, let me remind you of a couple safety rules you'll need to know. Please remember to remain seated at all times. This does include small children, as they are not permitted to stand on your lap, on the seat, or on the floor. If you have small children in your group, please have them sit in the center portion of the seat, with the adults on the outside edges. Also remember to keep all body parts inside the car at all times. The use of tobacco products is strictly prohibited on the train. Thank you.
Who's ready for a good old train ride? Let's hear it, guys. All right, we'll get the party started. Okay, you guys on the last few cars, give her Depot Master Julie. We're located right up there in the middle of the depot. Give her a big wave as we go by. Oh, we'll see you in a week. Well, more like a couple days. Maybe 20 minutes, Julie. We'll be back. Bye. Folks, here at Dollywood, we're known as the friendliest place in Smoky. And it's up to us on the train to keep it that way. So, on the count of 3, let's get our arms in the air and give them folks out there a big southern howdy. 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. Way back. Now, folks, coming up right inside Dollywood's famous grist mill. It's also one of the last grist mills in operation at this part of fast food. It's also the home of the giant cookies and the good hot cinnamon bread. Folks, if you get that cinnamon bread, you're going to get more than one loaf, because one's not going to make it to the car. You all just sit back, relax, keep on being funny, and we'll keep a little bit of history about the engine that we're right behind. In May of 1958, Malvern Locomotive Works in Eddystone, Pennsylvania built our narrow gauge Mikado style, engine number 70. She weighs in at about 220,000 pounds and is a genuine coal-fired steam-driven Type 282 locomotive. Now that 282 simply means there's 2 wheels in the front, 8 large drive wheels in the middle, and 2 wheels in the back. After engine 70 was completed, it was shipped from White Pass to one of their freight engines. December 7, 1941, came in highway from invasion. So in 1922, the U.S. Army took over the White Pass and Yukon Railroad and used it to build the Alcan Military Highway. It was done when engine 70 became part of the United States Army. Over 280,000 tons of material, troops and thousands of personnel travel behind this engine and others like her. Up to 34 trains a day travel into the road construction. In 9 months, the senior hospital became hospital. The Alcan Military Highway was completed. I bet you didn't realize you're right behind you. I'm veterans. Very Dollywood is proud of all veterans, all branches of the military, and our thoughts and prayers are with those and their families on active duty today. In 1953, engine 70 was retired from the Army as president, solely of East Tennessee State Park. $40 ticket. Thank you, getting overhead. Hands again, guys. I want to take a state turkey check around that corner. Just wait now. I don't think it's waiting. But anyway, Cinderella has remained good about the young $7 City, Tennessee. $8. She continues her tradition of hard work. Let's sit back, relax, enjoy the cool breeze, and the wonders of the Smoky Mountains. And imagine you're in the year 1851, and you're riding behind Tennessee's first steam train. Well, we should say it's all black airlines riding the train to college. Cherokee Indians call these mountains the land of blue smoke. It is a natural habitat for flowering plants and trees than anywhere in the United States. Even in the air, you can hear the music of over 200 different species of birds. The scorpions are never ending summer. Singing to keep their alive. Folks here at Dollywood are real proud of Cinderella. So much would you like to let her show off and make some noise every once in a while. How many of you folks make some noise yourself and raise your hand and like to hear that engineer play a tune on that Baldwin locomotive whistle? Let's hear it, guys. Alrighty, on the count of 3, let's tell them blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle.